Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Company of Heroes 2 multiplayer. First, launch the game and navigate to the multiplayer section. You can choose between ranked matches, custom games, or co-op versus AI. Select your preferred game mode and faction. Each faction offers unique units and strategies, so experiment to find your best fit. Remember, effective resource management and map control are crucial for victory. Resource management is key to success in Company of Heroes 2. You'll need manpower to field infantry, munitions for special abilities, and fuel for vehicles. Capture and hold resource points across the map to boost your income. Use your engineers to construct vital buildings, such as the barracks for infantry and the motor pool for tanks. Upgrading these structures unlocks powerful new units and strategic options. A balanced army composition is vital for victory. Combine robust infantry squads with powerful vehicles and specialized support units. Always use cover to protect your troops from incoming fire, reducing damage by up to 50%. Flanking maneuvers can expose enemy weaknesses and lead to decisive engagements. Don't forget to activate your commander abilities at opportune moments. They can provide significant advantages, from artillery strikes to powerful unit buffs. Effective map control is paramount in Company of Heroes 2. Focus on capturing and holding victory points to drain your opponent's tickets. Constant scouting reveals enemy positions and intentions, allowing you to counter their plans. Be flexible and adapt your unit composition and tactics to counter your opponent's strategy. In team games, clear communication with your allies is essential for coordinating attacks and defenses, leading to a more cohesive and powerful force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.